Good morning, class. Thank you. Today we are going to learn our first equation of motion. Vf equal to Vi plus At. See here, suppose a body is moving with initial velocity Vi and undergoes uniform acceleration A for a period of time t such that its final velocity becomes Vf, as the change in velocity in unit time is called acceleration. In this statement you see, what are you seeing here? A body is moving with some velocity, with some acceleration, and acceleration is not increasing or not decreasing. That means body is moving with uniform acceleration for some time. After some time t, its velocity becomes Vf. It means velocity change from Vi to Vf, and change in velocity in unit time is called acceleration. Therefore, we can write it like that: A equal to Vf minus Vi divided by t. And in this equation, t is divided by t, multiply on the other side. So, equation should be Vf minus Vi equal to At. And on left side, Vi is minus. On the other side of the equal, it should be plus. So, our equation Vf equal to Vi plus At. This is the first equation of motion we have to drive. So, it is our derived equation. Okay? Thank you. Now we are going to derive our second equation of motion. S equal to Vit plus 1 upon 2 At square. In this statement, you see, suppose a body starts with an initial velocity Vi and travels with uniform acceleration A for a period of time t. The distance covered by body in this time t is s, and its final velocity becomes Vf. Since the acceleration is uniform, the velocity of the body increases or decreases by equal amount in equal time intervals. That is, the velocity change at a constant rate. Okay? As you see in the statement, velocity increases or decreases. That should be, we want an average velocity of the body. So, average velocity of the body will be derived like that: final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2. And in this change of velocity, in body is moving with uniform acceleration, some distance is travelled by the body in unit time t. So, we write that distance travelled equal average velocity, and average velocity should be like that: Vf plus Vi divided by 2 and multiply by time. So, this equation should be like that: S equal to Vf plus Vi divided by 2 multiply by t. And we know that Vf equal to Vi plus At, that we derived in the first equation. So, from the first equation, we have to put the value of Vf in this equation, in equation 1. So, our equation should be like that: S equal to Vi plus At. That is the value of Vf, and plus Vi, that is in our equation, divided by 2, multiply by T. Vi and Vi plus 2Vi plus At divided by 2, multiply by T. Okay. Now we divide 2 on both sides. So S equal to 2VIT plus AT square divided by 2 should be right as S equal to 2VIT divided by 2. That means 2VI and plus AT square both are divisible by 2, and plus AT square divided by 2. We can write that 2 cancels by 2. So our equation write that S equal to VIT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. That is our required equation that is derived down. Okay. Thank you.